Hello traders, the title of this video is British Pound Dollar. Trader reveals his trading tactics. British Pound Dollar. Trader reveals his trading tactics. Alright, we are on a yearly chart of the British Pound US dollar currency pair. And I'm looking at the yearly chart. We can see that 2016 has been a very bearish year for the British pound. All right, so the British pound was weakening against the US dollar due to the Brexit and also situation regarding Scotland that was looking for independence. So the independence of Scotland, that was part of the United Kingdom, threatening to separate itself to become independent Scotland, okay, cutting itself away from the United Kingdom, has created, okay, a bearish sentiment towards the British sterling pound. There was also the referendum that created what we call the Brexit, when the British people voted to come out of the European Union. So those are two events, the independence of Scotland and the Brexit, as we call it, have created, okay, a negative effect on the British pound. But talking about technical analysis or talking about British pound dollar trader reveal his trading tactics. At this point in time, all I can say to traders, it was a very bearish year from January 2016 up to December now, all right? So personally speaking, putting myself into the mind of other Forex traders. So if, for instance, you are a position trader that has been selling a British pound, or you are a position trader that has taken a bearish position against the British pound, coming to the end of the year, what will you do? You will try to take some profit. So personally speaking, talking about the mind game in the Forex market, there is, speaking about myself, in my humble opinion, there's a high chance that the British pound may rally up a bit. Okay, coming to the end of 2016, there is a high chance, due to the fact that a lot of market participants that were selling the British pound throughout 2016, most of them will be willing to take some profit, creating what we call a bit of rally for the British pound, a little bit going up. You can see it start forming a tail, and there's a high chance it may have at the end of this month of December 2016, that it may have a long tail to close this year. That remains to be seen. This is in my own opinion. Why? Because if we apply Fibonacci, all right, Fibonacci retracement to the range of this candlestick bar of 2016, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level is the pink line on my chart here, is at 13479. 13479. You do not want to forget that level if you are a technical trader. 13479. If you are a technical trader that is trading the British pound US dollar currency pair. Very, very important level. The reason is, as they saw it throughout 2016, the price has a high chance to rally up to retest that 50% Fibonacci retracement level, which is in fact a psychological price level. So this is a kind of 18 THIN, 18 dividing line between the bullish zone above that pink line and the bearish zone below that level. So at this stage, as we are coming to the end of the year, in my humble opinion, there will be a kind of profit taking, giving a bit of breathing space, for so to speak, to the British pound, the British sterling pound, and we are likely, not certainly, all right, we are expecting, all right, this is an expectation that the British pound may rally up a bit, trying to come a little bit near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. If it does not happen before the end of 2016, we are likely to see that rally somewhere between January 2017 and mid-February 2017, a bit of rally heading towards the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the range of 2016 candlestick bar. Therefore, we are talking about from the medium term, from the short term to the medium term, we will be talking about, a temporary rally trying to retest, the 13479. All right. Remember that rally is a contra trend to the long-term trend. All right. So if you are buying, all right, you need to be very, very careful because it's a contra trend. It's a profit taking. All right. If we switch our time frame, that's what we see on a yearly chart. If we go, for instance, to the monthly chart, I have more to show you. On the monthly chart, I have my gigantic Andrews pitchfork tool. And if you don't know how to use the pitchfork tool or how to draw the pitchfork tool, go to www.dayprotraders.com and check out our website. Okay, so here we need 3 points. That's the first point. Price goes down from A to B and rally up to point C. Without coming to the beginning, we can apply the pitchfork tool. You can see my gigantic brown pitchfork tool on my chart. So as I recommend to traders, whenever you draw your pitchfork tool like this, is highlighting the possible path that the price is likely to take. It's telling us that the price has a high chance to stay within the boundaries of the pitchfork tool. This is what's happening here. So you can see it's going down on the edge of that gigantic pitchfork tool. All right. What I recommend to traders is that at Day Pro Traders, YouTube channel where I'm busy talking about pitchfork tool trading strategies. There is a playlist about pitchfork tool, so you can search it. You can search YouTube search for Andrew Pitchfork Tool Trading Playlist by Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. You will be busy, all right, watching videos about pitchfork tool. So what I recommend to traders, when you draw your pitchfork tool like this, nothing should stop you to draw again the median line of each half of the pitchfork tool. So this is one half of the pitchfork tool between from here, this line here, to the median line of the pitchfork tool. That's one half of the pitchfork tool, and this is the second half of the pitchfork tool. So whenever you draw your pitchfork tool, my recommendation is that you also draw the median line of each half. So by drawing the median line of the first half, we have this line here that I'm going to color now into black. Okay, that's the black line. That's the median line of the first half of the pitchfork tool. So one more time, because between the black line and the edge of the pitchfork tool, we have a small channel again, yes or no? And again, once again, I divide that small channel again into two. That's the blue line here, which is the median line of this smaller, a quarter of my pitchfork tool, in fact. So there you see here. So the price now on the edge of that median line of the quarter of my pitchfork tool. So this is the half of my pitchfork tool, and from here this is the quarter of my pitchfork tool, and the price is now on the edge of the median line of that quarterly size, quarter part of the pitchfork tool. Am I making sense? Am I speaking a clear English to you? All right. Let me know in the comment section. All right. So here we are. So you understand it, okay? You understand it. So it's now on the edge of that blue line, which is the trend line here. All right. So all I'm saying to you, all right, is that there is a high chance due to profit taking, that at one point the market will prefer the price to come back up to retest that level of 13479. Just be aware of it. So talking about from the short term to the medium term, we will be carefully, all right? So that's one key level here, 12596, breaks above, retest, all right, 12596. We find a support, we take it gently because it's a contra trend, it's a risky trend. We are in a declining channel and we want to buy. We are taking a risky trade. but there is a high probability, all right, that due to profit taking, this is not a normal trading. Those who were selling throughout 2016, some of them will try to take their profit before the end of 2016, all right. So there will be maybe a bit of rally trying to come near the edge of the pitchfork tool and also near the level of 13479. But if you want to play it and buy it, just be very, very cautious, be defensive, okay, like a taekwondo, all right, person, all right. Keep your guard. That's what I'm saying. Keep your guard very carefully and know that it's a contra trend, because what they are trying to do, they want to bring the price near that level and try to sell it down again. But understand that. So at where we are now, all I will say to traders is that though, all right, you need to understand, or we can say to trader at this point in time, priority to bear signal above priority to bear signal below 13479, which is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the range of the yearly candle of 2016. Priority to bear signal below 13479, and priority to bullish signal above it. But talking about short term to medium term, there's a high chance that it will go up gently, try to come near this level. All right. But when you want to play that and buy it, be careful. But if it goes below 12596, which is the line here, the key level that I highlight here, 12596, if it goes below that level, watch out for those two levels. The first one is here, 11606, note it down, 11606, and ultimately 11327. Don't forget those two key levels. The first one is the turquoise one here, 11606, 11327, which means if he failed to find a support above the 12596 where we are now and start going down, okay, and you receive a clear-cut signal selling on the edge gently, be aware that there are support at 11606 and also at 11327. So to summarize this video, looking at this chart now, the price now on the edge of the blue line here. I explained to you how I draw that blue line. It's a high chart that it may try to go up a bit to the edge of the pitchfork tool near the level of 13479, where orders are packed here to sell. Priority to bearish signal below 13479 if it comes near this level, and priority to bullish signal above. But from the short term to the medium term, we are expecting it to go up gently. And if you want to buy, be very, very defensive. If it fails to find support above 12596 and start going down, there are support on the way. There are other support here, but I don't want to talk about those support here. All right, but I will just mention two key support levels that you don't want to forget. It's 11606 and 11327. All right, it makes sense. I'm going to draw one more line on my chart, and we will look at something else. Here we are. I want to apply again, this time Fibonacci extension to the price action from here down to this level here. Applying Fibonacci extension to this price action here. See here, from the top here down to this low here, apply Fibonacci extension to it. I'm on the monthly chart, and where are the level? I can't see them here. I'll go to the yearly chart. Hopefully I'll see them. I can't see any of my extension line. Okay, I'll leave them there. All right, so that's all. Okay, I'll leave that one. Okay, so if you have any question or suggestion, all right, put in the comment section, and in due course, all right, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. This is about British pound dollar trader. Reveal his trading tactics. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.